Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download DeepSeek on your phone in just a few easy steps. First, open the App Store. Once you are in, tap in the search bar at the bottom right corner and type DeepSeek and tap on search. Now once you see DeepSeek in the search results, simply tap the Get button next to it. Wait for a few minutes. Once it's downloaded, you will see the DeepSeek icon pop up on your home screen. Tap on it and open the app and start exploring. That's it. Super easy, right? If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Catch you in the next one.